Okay, we are on the Navigator of the Seas, and we are in room 7445. Let's give you a little tour of the room. Come in, that's my handsome husband.
Yes.
And we come in, babe, you're in the camera. This is the view. I don't remember how many square feet it is, but I will put in the description box. It's pretty tight. It's an interior room. There's no view. So we came in from dinner and saw they made up the bed and had a little bear, which is so cute, and gave us a program and a remote. You see the two lamps, mirror, and you have the vanity. Sorry about our mess, but you have vanity here. The light for the vanity will be down here. Turn that on. Ooh, hello. Vanity. And then there's a TV. This TV is kind of cool. It's a pull-out TV where you can turn it, and then you can face it toward the bed. There we go. And right above the TV, we have a safe. You put all your valuables in there. Right now we have here, and basically you would set it, the way you set it would be, well, let me open it before I show you how to. So, I'll show you an example. Just close the safe, and then there's instructions on it, but you know, just in case. And let's say we put today's date. Just enter a date. Today is 09/21 of 19. You don't have to do a minimum of 4 numbers. Oh, try it again. 09/21/19, and then we hit enter, and it locks the safe. And to open it, you just go ahead and put that code, same code in, 09/21/19, and it opens. Awesome, right? Okay, so let's close that back. Okay, so that's closed. Okay. Then you have some more storage space up here. And this is me. Hi. We just came from our formal night. Oh, in the vanity you have 2 side storage areas, or you know, when you're in that vanity and trying to get your makeup on and stuff. I'm just kidding. But you can open it, store things. Now, this room has a little cooler. A lot of people think this is a refrigerator. It is not a refrigerator. So please, if you need a refrigerator, let the staff know. Especially if you have not sailed yet, call Royal Caribbean and let them know you're going to need a refrigerator. It's usually available to people who need to store medication, things of that nature. And let's see, more storage. There's nothing really in these except this top one here. Again, we've already been staying here, so sorry about our mess. We have a blow dryer there. Please do not bring blow dryers. Do not bring irons, anything to plug in. Don't bring it, because what's gonna happen is when you go to check in, they're going to confiscate it, and they'll put your information on it, and it's up to you to redeem it at the end of your cruise. If you do not, it becomes Royal Caribbean's property. If you do not claim it and lost and found, or calling their number. This is the closet. Comes well equipped with hangers here. There's a lot of them here, so I guess the company people who would be doing week-long cruises or more. These are nice racks. It has some racks here if you are needing to hang something to dry, which we probably should have used for our clothes once we came from the water. There are other racks here. Excuse our mess again. You have your 2 life jackets down here. Another thing to know about ironing clothes, there is a service that is offered to do that, because some people are like, okay, if we can't bring an iron, how do we get the wrinkles out of our clothes? Either plan ahead and iron your own clothes, or you can use a service. The service is for a charge. It is not complimentary. Then you have up on the wall next to the door, we have the breakfast menu, I think. So this is for room service. Room service is not complimentary. As you can see, it's $7.95 for your room per delivery. That's not per day. That's each time you call them and say, hey, can I have a bowl of cereal? Yes, that'll be $7.95. And then you call again, hey, can I have some strawberries? Sure, it's gonna be $7.95. Just get up, get on the elevator, and go to the Windjammer. Then you have the restroom. And sorry, I'm recording this from my iPhone, so doing the best. So you have 4 rods to hang your towels, robes. Remember to watch your step. Flooring is very nice. Again, we've already been staying in here, so you see my hubby's bag over here, but another vanity. This one just has that one light up there, but it's really good anyway. And then you have storage space. This, oh, it doesn't open. So you have the 2 cups to wash your mouth out. I think tissue's supposed to go there, but I'm not sure what that is. Then you have the mat for the ground in case you need to throw up. That's there. More tissue. You have the little trash. If you need to clean the toilet, you know, if you have hand towels. You get 2 towels, so you do need to request more if you need more. Shower. You know, some people get a little confused as to how to use this shower, so I'm going to show you really quickly. So, step 1, depending on how tall you are, I'm only 5 foot, just 5 foot, nothing else. And so I need it to be adjusted a little bit. So there's a little push button thing there, and all you do is you push on that and you can pull it up and down. Or if you're more of a taller person and you need it to be up higher, here, that's fine. They do provide like hair and body wash, but it won't hurt to bring your own. We brought our own. It does have a bar in there if you need help balancing, but this is not an accessible room, so it's not where there'll be a stool or anything. I don't see how a stool could fit in this anyway, but then you have how to turn it on. There's a middle button here. That's the one to turn it on. There's a knob that has a plus sign and a minus sign. This is where you find the temperature for the water. Trust me, you do not want to get this confused, because this water gets really, really hot. Right, Beth?
Yeah.
Okay. The doors are really cool, because it actually closes you right in. There you go. And it looks really nice. The details on the door is really cool. It looks like someone's already been in there showering, but it's really nice. Oh, toilet. How do you flush your toilet? You're gonna find a little another button to push, and you just 1, 2, 3 push, and sometimes it works. I guess it should work. Let's try it again. There we go. I'm kidding, it does work most of the time. I don't know why it does that. But let's see. What else? Oh, so there is a little couch in here. I don't know if this room is set up for 3 guests or not. Only way I can see that happening is if they have upper berths that come from up there. Otherwise, who wants to sleep on this little itty bitty couch? Not me. But hey, our beds, we did request to have them together. You can request to have them pull apart. Sorry about the camera moving around so much. You can have them pull apart into 2 twin beds. We love sleeping together, so in the same bed. So we did 1 bed. You have the phone over there in the corner. The lights, can appreciate that because they have, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Have little buttons that control different things. How do you turn off the light without having to get up? We just discovered, well, at least I just discovered that there's going to be a little switch in the middle of the 2 beds, or just in the middle of your bed, and you can use that to turn off the light. You do not have to get up. I believe, oh, one last thing. Over here by the vanity, the room temperature. This is where you'll find where you can adjust the room. It can get pretty cold, so don't be deceived. If you turn it all the way cold, just ask for extra blankets if you're the type that likes to enjoy the cold room, being snuggled up into the blankets. But if you're like, you know, I didn't come to freeze my toes off, you might want to turn it to the warmer side. I'll be seconding that because he's the one that likes the room a little bit warmer, and I'm more like, let's snuggle. Anyway, guys, that is our room. Again, this is Navigator of the Seas on room 7445. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, just remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that why am I drawing a blank right now? Hit the notification button if you want to get more videos from me. Again, thanks for your support. Have a great one.